Chris here from Canopy Crypto and AI. Just wanted to talk to you about setting limit orders in your crypto portfolio. Now, I use Bitbuy in Canada. It's one of the largest, well, the largest crypto exchange in Canada. It's been around since 2016, and it's got lots of customers, and they do allow setting limit orders, either buy or sell limit orders. And in a rising market, in a bull run, it's especially important to take profits along the way, like 10 to 20% generally is what the rule of thumb is for me anyway. So in a rising market, you'll see 1 month we've had a pretty good run, and there's always a dip at the end of each period, and you can see over the long haul, it's a rocky road. It goes up and down. The market is never consistent for too long, but people do take profits, and you'll see that in the last month there was definitely some profit taking after we hit a high of probably like 50% rise over 30 days for the portfolio that I hold anyway. So in Bitbuy, you can sell and buy crypto, but you can also set limit orders. And that is something that I highly recommend to do. But first you've got to kind of take a look at, I'm going to look at XRP because it's been probably one of the biggest gainers in the last 30 days. As you can see, it kind of went through the roof here in the last month for November. But if you look just over the last 30 days, there's some resistant levels, like at about $1.50, and then again at $2. So clearly, people are taking profits at $1.50 and $2. And again, this is not financial advice, but what I do is set limit orders at these resistance levels, and by looking at this chart, you can say, okay, well, every 50 cents for XRP looks like there's a sell-off. So setting limit orders for 10 to 20% of your portfolio in a rising market, in my mind, is a good idea, and I've been doing that. The nice thing about limit orders is they just trigger based on price. You don't have to do anything once you set them up. And in Bitbuy, you can set them pretty easily. Like, let's say I'm going to set one for Avalanche. You can go and set a sell order. I've got like 15 Avalanche tokens. So you can enter an amount, and based on the current rate, so currently we're looking at 60 cents, or sorry, $60 for Avalanche. And what you want to have a look firstly is, what does the graph look like, and and what are the resistant levels. So you find Avalanche, and it's at $61 right now. Go to the last 30 days, 1 month, and you'll see again the resistant levels. Like, okay, here $50 was a resistance. There's profits, and then again there was more profits around $60, and it even got up to 68. So the logical next step would be to, okay, if this continues to go up, $70 is probably the next logical profit taking. So take out 10%, even 20% if you're thinking you're towards the end of the bull market. But this sort of strategy is really helpful to lock in profits. And you can also do sell orders, the same token. If you want to, or sorry, buy orders if you want to sell at certain heights and you want to buy back in after it drops, say, down to $40. So these are really important ideas to think about to make sure you take money out of the market, because this bull market will end. If it's not in early 2025, some people say January, February, March, everything could tank and go back down, but you never know. So yeah, that's just all I had to say today. Was take some profits, set limits, and Bitbuy is a great platform. There's a link in the description if you want to use Bitbuy that has a pro version, and you can sell limit orders at any time. and they will help you lock in your profits. So hope that helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.